today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your hotel's Banco map. So all you have to do, so you just click here on account down here. When just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on communications, just click on it here. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on hotels.com, click on it here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just scroll down, come here to trip planning assistance, just click on it here. You come to this list, you click here on email. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here trip and planning assistance email notifications enable with us now. Then you click on update, then it's going to save with you here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.